habits, and networks of connected devices that make life easier and more efficient. The company's research and development budget is massive, and they're constantly rolling out new prototypes and pilot programs. But here's the thing, for every tech company that changes the world, there are dozens that fade into obscurity. The competition is fierce, and the pace of change is relentless. So, while NXTT's vision is compelling, it's important to ask, can they actually deliver? Do they have the resources, the talent, and the strategy to turn their ideas into reality? And if they do, what does that mean for investors like you? But remember, new tech means new risks. The technology sector is notorious for its boom and bust cycles. One minute, a company is the darling of Wall Street. The next, it's struggling to stay afloat. NXTT faces all the classic challenges: rapid technological change, shifting consumer preferences, and the constant threat of disruption from upstarts and established giants alike. There's also the risk that their products won't catch on, or that they'll burn through cash before they can turn a profit. And let's not forget about regulatory hurdles. Governments around the world are starting to pay closer attention to data privacy, cybersecurity, and the ethical implications of AI. Any misstep could be costly. So if you're thinking about investing in NXTT, make sure you're comfortable with the risks. This is not a stock for the faint of heart. The upside, if they hit it big, your investment could blast off. We're talking about the kind of exponential growth that can turn a small stake into a life-changing sum. Just look at the history of tech investing. Companies like Apple, Google, and Tesla all started as risky bets. The investors who got in early and held on through the ups and downs were rewarded handsomely. NXTT has the potential to be one of those stories. Their technology could revolutionize entire industries, from healthcare to transportation to entertainment. If they execute on their vision, the sky's the limit. But remember, for every success story, there are countless failures. So, while the potential rewards are huge, so are the risks. The downside? High volatility and lots of competition. The tech sector is a battlefield with new startups popping up every day, and established players fighting to maintain their edge. NXTT is up against some of the biggest names in the business, and the competition is only getting tougher. Stock prices can swing wildly on rumors, news headlines, or even a single tweet. If you're not prepared for the roller coaster, you could end up selling at the worst possible time. And let's not forget about the psychological toll. Watching your investment soar one day and plummet the next can be stressful, to say the least. So, before you jump in, ask yourself, do you have the stomach for this kind of ride? Now let's shift gears and talk about something a little more grounded: real estate. Next is Wheeler Real Estate, ticker WHLR. WHLR is a company that operates as a real estate investment trust, or REIT.